I'm back. I think I got me another one. I done moved it. I didn't know what it was, so it's just a piece of flint. But... oh, crap. And she's broke. Wash my bitten off while I'm at it. Got to looking at it, and I don't think it's broke. I think the tip's been rounded on it. Yours still broke, but it's alright with me. Translucent. I'm not complaining. Hopefully I'll be back.